Hi everyone, this is my first video in this channel. So I made this channel with plan to study English and speak English in this video, but because my English is not so good, I made this channel to learn English every day, to read one passage of paragraph, article or news or something else. So let's begin today to read one passage of article. So in this channel I will make video every day in 365 day in 1 year. Okay, let's begin to search the article. So we will search Skimago to find some article. Today we will study about business. So we look for article that explain about this. Okay, maybe we choose Journal of Business Research. We open a new tab. We choose randomly article. Okay, close. Okay, we copy this title to find the best of home the journal. Okay, this is the journal. Okay. We look for a journal. There is one journal, one research article, not journal. The journal is business, social science journal. Oh, Technium. I think we not find the business journal of economic. Oh yeah, this is the journal. But why censor? I think this one. Yeah, Journal of Business Research. So now we find one article. We look for latest issue. Okay, the entrepreneurial exit process, exploring in the interplay between caution and affection in design stewards exit strategies. A research perspective, concerting or displaying the double-edged sword effect. Bringing manager and management back into strategy, dynamic managerial capabilities. Okay, maybe I will choose this one. Okay, choose this one, and then okay, this we will today we will we will copy this abstract. So we just read out of the abstract, one page out of the abstract. So and then we read and understanding the passage. Okay. Because one of my purpose and every day I can eat 5 until 10 words every day, memorize to my brain. Okay, this is the abstract. Okay. This is out of the passage. So let's begin to read together. Okay, first we read abstract. So and then we will translate to Indonesian language. This translator. For information to all of you who watch this video, I'm a beginner learn English. So if I have any mistake in this video, you can correct me on a comment, like how to spell that word and how to what is the meaning, the correct meaning the word. So let's study together. You can dialogue, you can talk with me in comments. Okay, let's begin. Okay, before we begin, we look the title of this paper. Okay, bring managers and management. By Nicholas G. Voss. This article is written by Nicholas G. Voss and Ambra Mazzali. Okay, we copy this title and then we paste in this passage. Okay. Okay. Let's we translate together. So the title is bringing managers and management back into strategy, interfaces, and dynamic managerial capabilities. Bring managers and management back to strategy. To help me to translate the passage, I will word by word. In that passage, I use Oxford Dictionary, Oxford Dictionary. Okay. Okay. So if there is some words we not understand how to translate, we use Oxford, yeah. Bring managers, bring managers, membawa manager atau membuat manager, and management kembali to strategi, back into strategi, menggunakan strategi interface and dynamic managerial capability. Interface, I don't know what is interface, so I will use Oxford to help me. So we translate what's interface. So in Oxford dictionary we can spell how to pronounce these words. Let's see.
Interface.
Okay, interface. Okay, interface. What the meaning is interface? Interface one is the way a computer program present information to a user or receive information from a user. Okay, in particular the light, the screen, and the menus. Okay. Combine interface. Okay, maybe this one is correct. The way computer program present information to user or receive information from user. Okay. Dynamic. I think is the meanings bergerak ya. Dynamic. Having a lot energy and strong personality. Oh, okay. Having a lot of energy and strong personality.
Dynamic.
The pronoun dynamic. Okay, dynamic is the meaning is a person having a lot of energy and strong personality. Okay, a process, changing and making progress. Dynamic. Okay, burst movement, dynamic, bergerak. We can say bergerak atau energetic. We can say energetic. So we can I think I don't know my translate is correct or not, but it's in my opinion the translate of the title is membuat manager is bring management back into strategy. I think it's not someone but pengaturan. Maybe it's managers, pengaturan, meaning managers. Like forward manager is not a person, I think, in this title, but more close meaning with manager of person. The person is person. Who deal person. Okay, person who trains a person. So the person membuat summer managers. Okay, manager membuat manager dan manajemen. Menggunakan strategi, back into strategy, kembali ke strategi, menggunakan strategi, maybe strategi. Okay, interface is computer to receive information or collect information for the user. Interface, menggunakan strategi interface. How we translate Indonesia? Interface. I confused to translate to Indonesian. Interface, the way computer program present information. The way computer program kemampuan I don't know, to kemampuan menyajikan, maybe we can write menyajikan informasi dan kemampuan menyajikan informasi dan dynamic material capabilities, dynamic bergerak, capabilities kemampuan, dynamic energik, kemampuan dan kemampuan manajerial, kemampuan mengatur yang energik. Interface menyajikan informasi, dan mengatur yang energik. I think this one, but I don't I not really 100% sure in that translate, but okay, let's begin with abstract. Okay, abstract or intisari in Indonesia. Let's erase this one. While manager were central the founding contributions. Okay, sementara seorang posisi manajer adalah posisi sentral untuk memberikan kontribusi to pengaturan yang dalam strategi pengaturan. Oke. Banyak strategi, much later strategy thinking minimize the role of manager. Banyak kemudian strategi dipikirkan minimum the role of manager di posisi manager. Oke. We call for moving beyond perspective. We call kita for moving beyond mendekati we call kita memanggil for moving untuk berpindah mendekati perspektif cara pandang yang mana kalau tidak either complete manager with the firm itself. Conflict, I don't know conflict is. Conflict. What is the meaning conflict? To put two or more things or idea together to make one new thing or idea. Okay, the way is not accurate, especially in a way that is not accurate or could be harmful because the two things are not really the same. Okay, to put two or more things ideas together. Okay, so conflict we because this new word I don't know, so I will give a comment. Okay, conflict we will give I think blue. It's new word complex. Okay, tadi before that word I find new word is brain manager interface, the way how computers receive data from user. Okay, two word interface and conflict. Okay, their conflict manager with from itself untuk dirinya. Jadi kalau tidak menyajikan dua informasi, either conflict manager with different itself dengan dirinya, or threat manager isolate entities, atau manager memperlakukan as isolated entities, mengisolasi entities. Maksudnya mungkin di sini lebih ke menggunakan idenya sendiri ya mungkin ya. I don't really sure, but we move to next text. Okay. Recent, baru-baru ini development mengembangkan such as micro foundations, okay. Saja seperti development sini seperti pemerintahan ya. Mengembangkan baru-baru ini mengembangkan micro foundation, okay. Strategic human capital, okay. Strategic human capital, okay. Ini and behavior dan perilaku, strategi perilaku have gone, sudah dilakukan some way, dilakukan dengan berpercaya toward making room for manager, toward making room, membuat diskusi untuk manajer, maybe. However, bagaimanapun we argue, kita berpendapat that more needs to be done, masih banyak yang dilakukan untuk menyelesaikan itu. And drawing, dan menggambarkan on recent research, menggambarkan pada riset terbaru. Sketch, untuk melukis. Nuance approach, nuance, I don't know what is the meaning nuance. What is nuance? We copy and look in this Oxford. Nuance, a very slight difference in meaning, sound, colors. Nuance. Okay, nuance, what is the meaning? Every slight difference in meaning, sound, color, as somebody feeling that is not usually very obvious. It took a while to get used to social nuance to office. He watched her face intently to catch every nuance of expression. Berbagai bentuk. Every slight different in meaning, sound. Berbeda atau berbagai ya. Maybe we can use berbeda atau berbagai. Berbagai sketch, melukiskan berbagai pendekatan. That yang mana memusat on dynamic social interaksi, memusat pada pergerakan sosial interaksi between manager, antara manager at different level, pada level yang berbeda, and other key actors, dan aktor kunci lainnya within the organization, di dalam sebuah organisasi. We build on the concept of interface. Kita membangun konsep of interface. Interface is the way computer collect data from user, atau how the computer show the data to user to elucidate it. I don't know. So we look in the Oxford's how to spell it? Elucidate.
Elucidate. Elucidate. Elucidate.
Okay, elucidate. What is the meaning elucidate? Explain something elucidate and point of grammar more fully. To make something clearer by explaining it more fully. Oh, explain, synonym explain, elucidate. Elucidate is explain. Okay, 3 words. We build the concept of interface to elucidate, untuk menjelaskan, and introduce mekanisme that capture, yang menangkap social influence, pengaruh sosial at the interface, okay, and implication dan dampaknya for proximate. I ever hear but I don't remember what is the meaning, so we learn from Oxford what is the meaning. Proximate, adjective. Proximate. Before proximate, nearest in time, order X to something. What is proximate? Look up any word dictionary of Oxford Advanced. Word origin from Latin proximus, draw near. Past particle of proximate from proximate, nearest in time. Order, nearest, berdekatan dalam waktu. Dekat. Dalam waktu dekat, maybe. For proximate and distal organizations level. Okay, distal, proximate, I don't really find what's the meaning, but you can help me in the comment. Let's see. Where is proximate? Okay, proximate, and then distal. What is distal? What is that? Whoa. This disturb me, okay. Where is, okay, distal. We copy. What is the meaning distal? Distal adjective.
Distal. Okay, located away from the center. Located berlokasi from the center of the body or at the far end of something. The distal and the tibia. Located away, berlokasi dekat dari the center of the body, jauh dari center of the body. Okay. Dekat dan jauh, distal organization level outcome. Okay, organization level pengeluaran. And link this, dan menghubungkan konsep ini to the notion of dynamic managerial capabilities. Notion, I don't know what this notion is. Notions. Notion.
Oh, idea or believe in some things. Concept of the notions, konsep dalam menghubungkan konsep the notion idea of dynamic managerial capabilities to, dan menambahkan to add micro foundational. Okay, menambahkan micro foundational insight
pandangan. Oke, to the explanation, untuk menjelaskan competitive advantage, keuntungannya ya. Kompetitif, keuntungan, kompetitif persaingan, keuntungan dalam kompetitif ini persaingan, kalau salah persaingan. Oke. Competitive advantage. Oke.
Competitive.
Competitive. Okay, competitive. Competitive used to describe situation in which people or organization compete against each other. Okay, persaingan. So the meaning is persaingan ya. Keuntungan persaingan, dalam persaingan. Okay. Oke, jadi judulnya ini tadi ya. The title is pengaturan energik. Oke, maybe we membuat manajemen menggunakan strategi maupun menyajikan informasi dan pengaturan energik. Nation is idea. Okay, we will listen to add micro foundation site. Competitive advantage. Okay, this is the meaning. So we read from first paragraph. So the title is membuat manajer dan manajemen menggunakan strategi kemampuan komputer dalam menyajikan data dan pengaturan yang energik. So we translate all of the text. Sementara manajer merupakan posisi penting atau sentral untuk memberikan kontribusi dalam pengaturan untuk manajemen strategik, pengaturan strategik ya. Much later, banyak kemudian strategi thinking, banyak kemudian dalam pemikiran strategi batas minimal itu di manajer. Kita memanggil lebih jauh, lebih dekat, perspektif lebih dekat, yang mana kalau tidak conflict manager, berbagai ide, ada 2 ide manager lebih with the firm untuk dirinya, or treat manager isolated entities, atau manajer melakukan mengisolasi pendapat lain, mungkin entities di sini ya. Perkembangan baru-baru ini suggest seperti micro foundation, kemudian seperti micro foundation, strategi human capital lebih HRT, strategi human capital, and tingkah laku perilaku strategi have gone setelah selesai ya, some way, dengan caranya through making room for managers, membuat tempat untuk manajer. Bagaimanapun kita berpendapat bahwa masih banyak we more needs to dan banyak yang dilakukan untuk menyelesaikan hal tersebut, dan menggambarkan akhir-akhir ini on research dan digambarkan pada riset baru ini dilukiskan a nuanced approach. Okay. A nuanced approach that center bahwa pusat dynamic social interaction manager pada level yang berbeda and pada aktor yang berbeda dalam organisasi. Kita membangun sebuah konsep of interface to elucidate, untuk menjelaskan, ini komputer yang menyajikan data tadi, untuk menjelaskan dan memperkenalkan mekanisme that capture social influence, pengaruh sosial pada interface yang menyajikan tadi dan implikasinya for proximate
and distal organization level outcomes. Okay. And menghubungkan this concept to nation idea of dynamic managerial capabilities untuk menambahkan micro foundational insight pandangan perspektif micro foundational insight untuk menjelaskan persaingan, keuntungan dari persaingan itu. Maybe like that. So but because I not really sure what is the meaning all of the passage, I will choose translate document. We use Google Translate. Okay. What is the meaning? Meskipun para manajer berperan penting. Berperan dalam kontribusi pendiri manajemen strategis, pemikiran strategis, kemudian meminimalkan peran para manajer. Meminimalkan. Kami menyerukan we copy and then keunggulan kompetitif. This is the meaning from Google. Meskipun para manajer berperan penting dalam kontribusi manajemen strategis, pemikiran strategi kemudian meminimalkan peran para manajer. Kami menyerukan untuk bergerak melampaui perspektif dan menyamakan manajer dengan perusahaan itu sendiri, atau memperlakukan manajer sebagai entitas yang terisolasi. Perkembangan terkini seperti Yayasan Mikro Foundation, Yayasan Mikro Sumber Daya Manusia (SDM) yang strategis dan strategi perilaku telah memberikan ruang bagi para manajer. Memberikan ruang. Namun kami berpendapat bahwa masih banyak yang harus dilakukan, dan berdasarkan sketsa penelitian terbaru kami menggambarkan pendekatan yang berbeda yang berpusat pada interaksi sosial yang dinamis antara para manajer. Di berbagai tingkat dan terkunci lainnya dalam organisasi. Kami membangun konsep antarmuka. Antarmuka, capsule influence. Antarmuka untuk menjelaskan sosial, dan memperkenalkan menjelaskan dan memperkenalkan mekanisme yang menangkap pengaruh sosial pada interface antarmuka, dan implikasinya terhadap hasil tingkat organisasi terdekat. Dan distal di sini tidak diartikan sama Google ya, dan menghubungkan the link konsep dengan gagasan kemampuan manajerial dinamis untuk menambahkan wawasan micro foundation pada keunggulan kompetitif. So in this text we find some new word. The first is interface. Interface is the meaning antarmuka. If we use translate from Google, but if we use translate from the Oxford, is the way computer to show the data to user or collect data from user. And then conflict if you look for from Oxford is dua ide atau berbagai ide gitu. Kemudian dari elucidate, menjelaskan. Proximate, what is proximate? Proximate. Ini the meaning elucidates. This is the meaning elucidates. Proximate. Dampak, implikasi terhadap
terdekat, hasil tingkat tes terdekat, proximate terdekat, hasil tingkat tes terdekat. Okay, maybe today we finish to learn English and find some word. Maybe there is 5 words, six words new. So if you all saw this video and watch this video, you can give me what is the pure or the original meaning, what this word that I confused, like approximate and distal, if we not use in this text context, or what the meaning is if we translate in one word, proximate or distal. Maybe you can comment in this video. So thank you very much for all of you for watch this video. See you in the next second video. Don't forget to support this channel, to subscribe and give your comment in this video. See ya.